different mess. Let's move on. Let's keep going with this game. I will get better at this. The idea is to improve the trading. So I'm gonna open again the 20 seconds. Vote for this. We're going up or we're going down. Right here. We had this push down and this push down, and then this one more aggressive than this other one. Simply Tasty is going up, buying, Elvina is going up, and Adrian is going up. All right. Let's clean. I don't know if I voted. We're going up. I'm gonna stay right there where I am with the contracts and up. All right, nice. We stopped right here into the close. Now, where are we going from here? We are at resistance. We're going down or are we going up? Let's get the game on. You have 20 seconds. Where are we going after being in the at resistance? Meanwhile, what I see, we are at resistance. This bar, it's a little bit less strong than this on a higher volume. The volume comes right here. It's still one of the best bars. Push up. That's very, very heavy. Let's see, guys. What do you guys see? We're going down, down, down. Okay. I hear you. But we are very strong. We are much stronger than this one. And this push up is actually stronger than this push up, right? On higher volume right here. Could we accumulate on the way up? We could. All right, so here is what I'm gonna do. We could totally go down on a test here. But the test could be so small because, yes, could retest. But the test could be so small that could count for us as a push up. Why? Because it could come down here and then immediately come up. So just an opposite of this bar. Because those two bars are so strong, I'm gonna vote up and I'm not gonna buy anything. I am pretty heavy in 3 contracts, so let's see. 3, 2, 1, boom. Oh, wow. Okay. So that was a really good bar. Let's go ahead and see where you guys standing here. Right here. Oh, wow. Simply Tasty with 80%. Wow. $700 up. Nice job. That's a really good trade what you are doing right now. Let's see. Simply Tasty is up with, how many contracts are you in? You are 1 contract. You are at $700 with only 1 contract. Nice job. I'm even curious where you entered because you probably entered all the way down here. Amazing. Amazing. Let's see. Michelle, again, your name. I will have to find a way for you to, to be completely there. But you are at 25% with 4 predictions. Hey, we have days and days. Last time I remember you and you did really, really good. So just keep it up. Let's see what else. And then we have Adrian with, oh, Adrian. So you are in a trade. Let me see where are you standing, because you are in a bad trade, but your predictions are really, really good. So you have to go flat and then fix it. Adrian is short 2 contracts. So probably get out of that and find your way into a good trade. All right. Okay. Let's cancel this. Oh, where was I? Yeah, I don't know where you entered, but you were short. I just have the information that you are short. Where am I? I am at 7 predictions, 71%. Not bad, nothing fancy. All right, but I am up $2,000. Of course, I am heavily, so it makes sense that I have a really strong trade. All right, guys, let's continue. We are very close to the next selling zone right here. Not just close, but we pushed above. So where are we going from here? Let's go. 20 seconds. We are going up or down. And of course, Adrian, get out of your trades. Hey Ferrell, welcome. And he's going up. Simply Taste is going down. Michelle is going down. Adrian is going down and Elvina up. All right. All right, guys. Adrian is going down. All right. If you're going down, then stay in the trade and fix the the mess. All right. So what I see is that this bar it's very strong comparing to everything else, and this push up, it's much stronger than this, much stronger than this and this together. And as what I was saying at the beginning, please call me out if I'm too deep into bar by bar. I do have to go stronger into analyzing the bigger picture. I am messing it up by just staying too little here. So please do me a favor, and if you see that I'm just focusing on the bars, call me out. So first of all, we pushed above here. We have this push up, very intense. We have this volume. That volume is the highest volume of the day, not including the open of the market, of course. And the best bar. This is probably the best bar of the day right here. Yeah, it is. I hear Ferrell. It could be a test first. But that strong bar, I'm expecting mostly maybe like a little push down and then back up here, or an exhaustion into the up here before we have any reaction. So let's check it out. We going, there we are, up. So exactly what I was saying. We pushed a little bit down. We came strong up because of this big bar. And we have some sellers coming back down and having a little exhaustion bar. Really nice. Plus, look at the volume. The volume is increasing. Now my question again is, where are we going? 20 seconds? Let's go. We're going up, we're going down. Are we buying? Are we selling? That's a really good one. Very interesting. All right, so we have up, down, down, up, and up. Michelle, Ferrell going up, Elvina up, and then we have Simply Tasty and Adrian going down. This is a 50-50 because the bar is very weak. We can definitely go down, and at the same time we can definitely go up because of the big strong push that we had right here. I mean, all of it. On that volume. So I'm gonna stay in the trade, but I'm not gonna choose because of the 50-50 combo bar. What's a combo bar? And we have volume is weak. Simply Tasty. Volume is not weak. Volume is very, very strong. It's a lot of volume. So basically a lot of sellers here, right? Also at the same time a lot of buyers, because if so many sellers, I mean, look at this right here. Look at, these are sellers, right? These are sellers, of course this one too. So it's a lot of sellers, and at the same time buyers came in and said, you're not going down, not yet. All right, the bar, okay, sorry, my bad, I read it much later. Change comes with time, yes, but remember that we are doing bar by bar and we are looking into what is next. So you may say up and we will go up, but the next bar may be down. Let's see, this is a 50-50. We are, oh, now that's a bar. That is a bar. What's that even? What's that bar? We are not going up, we are not going down, we're going sideways. We're literally not going anywhere. Oh, damn it, I clicked on it. All right. We just skip this one and we'll just move to the next one. So what happened? We exhausted right here, right, the small volume. We were not capable, but at the same time, we exhausted. What happened? Demand came in and pushed this up. Now, demand came in at here. They were waiting sellers and pushed down. And because of those sellers, demand said, I'm not buying because I'm going against some change of behavior, a possible change of behavior. And that's why they did this into the next bar. So they exhausted. There were nobody to buy. But what happened? They were not able to go anywhere. I mean, if we look, we have right here a tiny trading range. And because of that, and we retested down here into the last bar, and again, even weaker, the sellers, the man was like, okay, let's go up. Indecision bar versus yes, basically exhausted. Everyone was waiting for the next one, for the next guy to make a decision. OF, I don't know what OF means. Okay, so the next bar, we had a big push up on this volume. Where are we going? We going up still, or are we going down? 20 seconds. Let's go for it. Down, Farrell says. Okay. Up, up, up. And simply tasty down. Okay. Here is my prediction. We're in this tiny trading range and we are not very weak, so we don't really have too much sellers. We do have sellers hidden, but that means that those sellers are less strong than the buyers. So sellers are trying to push down or take profit or something, yes, but demand is very strong. And I'm seeing that because today I was trading in the morning and it was a very similar market where it kept going up and I entered exactly here to go down right here because what we saw, what we were expecting. And this was saying that it's just strong. So I'm gonna try to go up from here. I'm still 3 contracts. Let's see who else. Farrell is not in a contract and everyone else I think it's in a contract. Or a couple. Elvina has 4 contracts. Wow. Okay, after this bar we will check where we are standing. Let's go. Did I enter? Let's see. I entered and here we go. Up. Nice. All right. So again, I'm trying to remind my own self. Check the bigger picture. Bigger picture. We had weakness right here. And then that weakness, look at this bar, completely disappeared. This is the most that we are going down, down, and down here. Even if we exhausted locally there, that's it. So if we're comparing this with a stopping action right here because of some sellers, these sellers, and then this, where are we going? Are we going here? Are we even just going here and turning back? What are we doing, guys? Let's vote. 20 seconds. After the vote, we are opening the leaderboard and see where we are standing. Ten seconds. Okay. So we have up, down, up, up, up. Okay. A lot of people going up. Before we move on, let's see where we are standing. Leaderboard ship. Simply Tasty is number one with 50% accuracy, 8 predictions. She's not just holding tight, she's predicting, and that's amazing. Remember, the algorithm has a complex formula where it's checking your predictions. If you're predicting 1 or 2, hey, you're gonna have a higher prediction rate, and that's why you may not be on top because of the amount of predictions comparing to the competitor. And wait a second, look at that, she's $1,000 up. Wow. I think that's the highest we had for the viewers ever. So, congratulations. Second, Feral. Feral is the second, but last game he won. He was number one with a 67% prediction rate with 3 predictions. Amazing job. All right, Michelle. Again, I don't know how much you made, but I see a minus, so it's actually better than we don't see it, right? Let's blame it on the leaderboard. It's minus $1. That's all what we see. But your accuracy is 43% with 7 predictions. Guys, I do want to say that we are doing this game, but after I've seen what we are doing, what other people are doing online, and a lot of people doing trading live and many other things, this is extremely intense what we are doing here and very deep. And that's gonna bring you, when you're entering a trade, to the reaction of when are you entering and when you are getting out. Remember, very few people are doing this, so keep going. This is gonna be good for you. Michelle says, let's say minus $10. Sure, minus $10, that's all what we take. Let's see where I am. Okay, I'm doing good. Remember, Friday I had a terrible day, 30% rate, and I don't remember if I made any money or not. I'm $3,000 up and accuracy is 78%. Nice! And now, after I said that, I'm gonna mess it up because it always happens. All right, let's keep going. Let's open the vote and tell me, where are we going? We're going up or we're going down from here? And if you want to say why, I'm curious. 10 seconds. All right, we're going up, down, up, up, up. Most of people are going up. They are saying don't go against the trend. So if everybody's going up, I'm not even gonna analyze it. I'm just gonna go up. I'm seriously going to put up. But of course, I looked a little bit at the chart, and basically we had the stopping action here and we are pushing this up here. This is our, wait, where are you, the pen? This is our small resistance, well, now support, and then we are having this volume. It is overall medium size, so we just had this spike and supply did absolutely no damage and they got out. Because of that, we are still moving up. We are waiting for some exhaustion before more sellers are coming in. I posted up. I'm not gonna enter more trades. We're staying at 3. And here we go. Ooh. Okay. Now that's an interesting bar. Because, first of all of you who said up won. Amazing. But it actually went down a lot before we came up. Now, you have to ask yourself in cases like this, when you are in a trade and the market is right here before this push up backwards, will you get out? Remember that, because right now we are playing bar by bar, but in a live trade, this could scare you and make you exit. So remember that before exiting, make sure that you have enough sellers to stop, right? And then find your way out. Don't get out too early if you don't have the confirmation. And if you get out too late, well, it's a trade. Next time you find your way. Simply Tasty says not yet. Good. So we are up from here. Now this bar, it's much weaker right here comparing to this other bar right here. And well, these two bars right here. So this is probably the weakest bar that we had, unless we are comparing that bar, this bar, with probably, I would say these two, right? Like this. That means that there is a little bit more tail. So we went higher and then we came down. And this one has more demand tail. That means that we were able to push a little bit lower and then we went back up. In other words, we are still up, but we are looking for that push down. Okay, so we are almost done for the day, guys. We have 5 to 10 minutes. I can stay a little bit longer, but we are almost there. Let's move on. Let's vote. And let's try to make the most out of these 10 minutes. I will give you 10 minutes. Ten seconds. Up, down, up, up. Pearl is going to the moon today. All right, guys, let's see. So, if we compared what we said, these two bars with this one, where was the next bar? Right here. So if this is a little bit weaker, we should expect something like this. Maybe a smaller one, but similar, right? Let's see. I'm voting. I'm going up. And here we go. Okay. So it's not that we just went up, and as I was expecting it a little bit weaker, just because we compared it with this other one, but we actually went stronger. Probably because of the same thing. Demand waited for sellers to come in, and no sellers came in, not enough for anything, so we just kept buying. Let's see, Simply Tasty says fire. Oh yeah. Farrell says ease of movement. Let's see, ease of movement. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 bars. 1, 2, 3, and 4 bars right here and right here. It is an ease of movement, yeah. Definitely an ease of movement comparing to this one. I'm sure to this one, and I'm sure to this one, yeah, definitely. Now, of course, if we are comparing to this one, probably this is the big one, so probably maybe even still could be. Okay, then should be easy. Where are we going? We're going up or down? 20 seconds. And after this bar again, let's see the leaderboard. Let's get used to that leaderboard so we can... Oh, I'm seeing some predictions here. Really, really nice. We're going up, up, up. Everyone is going up. Oh yeah, let's go to the moon, guys. Up. Every single person going up. All right, let's see. We are going up. I'm with you. Again, I'm not gonna go against the trend. Bum, bum, bum. Pum. Okay. So we have this one. And if we are comparing to the next one right here, it's a little bit weaker on higher volume. We understand that more supply came in and we kind of exhausted. With that said, where are we going from here? And before we go to the next bar, let's see, before we go into the next bar, let's see predictions. Not again, this one, this one. All right, Simply Tasty, 64%. Seriously good. $1,300 up. Nice, 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 nice. And Feral, 83% prediction rate. Amazing. I mean, seriously, amazing. 83%. Michelle, 56. I believe you were a little bit lower, so you recovered. Amazing job. So, are you in a short? I mean, you are in a short in case you want to know, just because if you're predicting so well, again, probably get out of the trade. You are one contract short. All right, me, 4,000, 83%. 83% I will take it. The 4,000, it doesn't really matter because, again, I'm just heavily in the trade. 83%, guys. Who is gonna be, Feral or me? Michelle says, good, as I forgot. Yeah, it happens. It's not the same as the trading that we have in real life. So we are doing our best to play the game. All right, guys. Quick answer. Vote. 20 seconds. We're going up or down from here. Ten seconds. We are going up, down, down, down. Okay. That's very interesting. That's very, very interesting right now what we're doing. A lot of people are going up with such a strong push up. Are you guys sure? Should I give you another chance to change your mind? Let's see. So again, we compare this bar to these two bars, and then this was a little bit weaker than this. And because of that, if we are comparing these two bars with these two bars, the next bar is gonna be probably even more weak. Everybody says no. Okay, I hear you. It was a joke anyhow, but I will keep you accountable for this one. So because we have a weaker bar right here, what's weaker than this? Well, we may come all the way here as a bar. We may even come stronger, but I don't think so because this is extremely strong. If it's weaker than this, we may have something like this, for example, or the similar on red, right? So like a tail and then something like this. So like up No, 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 because that means that we will still push up before we push down. And I think that this was not capable of going anywhere. And because of that, we may go a tiny bit up, but then we're going down. So one of the long, or at least another tail, but weaker. Oh, not like that. Again, I was trying to do like this. Okay, everybody sat down. You know what, guys? I'm copying you. You guys should show up in my trades, and then I will just make money. All right, let's go. Do you guys see what just happened right here? We have here comparing to here, right there. We pushed a tiny bit up as we said, but even smaller than I expected. Not capable at all of going anywhere. Pushed down, not just down, but below this bar. That was aggressive. We didn't see it in real time, but still, that was really aggressive to push below here. And then just some demand came in, but not capable of reaching our greens because, again, we said weaker than this. Amazing job to all of you who said down, because this was a pretty heavy bar to choose. All right. Let's see. Ferrell says upper week. Upper week. Yeah, it had a little bit higher week that we said, but extreme, not probably not even reaching the last highs. Okay, where are we going? And we have the last 5 minutes, guys. We already had 5 minutes. So last two predictions and we go. Okay. We have up, down, down, up. Okay. Very interesting here and up. All right. Now that's a hard true right there. Let's see where we're going. Ferrer said that he said this one is down because of this tail. First of all, that tail is not really heavy. Everyone has, even here it was much heavier, here was heavier. But the overall probably exhaustion plus the tail got you into going down. So amazing job. And now we have down, probably a continuation here. Volume is high, but result is small. Let's see. The second bar. The second bar. You mean this one? I'm a bit confused what the second bar. This is not second in. So. Oh, yes. Oh, okay. Okay. So we are still going up. Simply Tasty says volume is high, but result is small. Volume is pretty high, but it is pretty small. And actually, this is the result. So you are saying that there is still a lot of demand in there. I will take it. Let's vote. So we said two more predictions, one now and the next one. Okay, let's go. Next bar. Boom. Up. Nice job. All right. Simply Tasty says yeah. And let's vote to the next one. Where are we going from here? We going up or we going down? This one is getting harder here because we are seeing exhaustion. We are seeing some sellers. We're going up, up, up. Everyone is up. Oh yeah, let's go. I mean, we should all make a team to go into crypto because you guys are all in into this. Ooh, hoo, hoo. This is heavy. This is really heavy. Everyone goes up. Yeah, okay. Up. Let's go. Boom. That bar says a lot too. All right. So now let's see what we have here. Previous green is weaker with a higher volume. I want to know which one. Do you mean this one? So like this one here? And you set up. So right here. And then we see this as tiny exhaustion right before the small red bar right here. Yes. Okay. Yeah, exactly this one. Okay. There is the extension that I've been waiting for. I hear you. Okay, we give you one more and we finalize the game, all right? Where are we going? 20 seconds? We're going up, we're going down. Let's do it. Exhaustion. Okay, exhaustion. Feral is going down. Up, up. And down. Here is the thing. If we are going down as a team, I should sell my... Hey, I'm gonna give you 20 more seconds before I close my trades. So you guys can close your trades because this is the last time that we are doing anything. So we are selling, and we are selling. I'm flat. All right, if you guys want to sell. Okay. Okay. Last prediction of the day, guys. Let's go. We're going down. Down. Nice job, guys. All right, let's see where we're standing. I do have to run. Okay. Simply Tasting #1 today with $1,400 up, 13 predictions at 70%, 69%. Amazing, amazing job. That deserves a really applause because 69%, it's not tiny. It's amazing. With 13 predictions, she's been predicting there right there with me. I mean, I have just 16 predictions. So just 3 more predictions than her. Amazing, amazing job. Feral. Oh my God, look at you. What did you do, bro? 89%. 90%. I mean, you should put right now all into your whatever you buy. I'm joking. Do not do that. I am definitely joking. Amazing job. 90% predictions with 9 predictions. Again, he was not just sitting around. He kept predicting. Amazing job. He did not enter any trade with those predictions. Next time, I hope that you are Nvidia. I hear you. I hope you are gonna get some buying and make some money so we can see you. Michelle, 50%. Michelle, 50% is amazing. Most of retail traders do not get a 50% trades. That's not a prediction bar by bar. That's just a trade. You have so many options to see a trade, the next bars. So 50% per each bar, 12 predictions. Again, amazing job. Just don't forget to get out when you need to get out. Minus $14. Amazing, amazing job, guys. All 3 of you, amazing job. I will see you here Friday night. Same time as always. Feral beat me by 1%. But I got the big money. I'm buying a Lamborghini tonight. See you guys Friday.